Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to look at the Metlam 200 series toilet indicator bolt. These are available from our lock shop. Just a quick unboxing for you just to give you a bit of an idea on what's inside. So you have your main lock body right here where you turn this handle here, the bolt projects out this side, turn it this way and the bolt projects that side. I'll give you some sizes on it if I can. So body wise 41, length 63, length with projection 81, length of projection you're looking about 20 mil, the bolt size about 15 mil, the bolt thickness about just 5 to 6 mil. The height from where the bolt projects out is a couple of mil, so you'd be talking probably about 4 mil there. So if you can see that there, the height from there to there. So it's not a flat surface where the bolt's coming out. Your door will be a flat surface, but that will be there. That's your front indicator right there. It goes from engaged to vacant. You've got the override here where you can use a screwdriver or something if there's an emergency. You've got your hexagon spindle, which is here. And there it is there. The length on that can be cut down. There's a couple of sections there to cut down. Length is 50 mil. You've got your 4 screws for your lock body. You've got your 2 small screws for your front indicator plate, and then you've got another couple of screws here which is for the strike that goes on the frame. So it leaves a little bit of play in the door as normal when you lock it like that, probably that 5 mil sort of section, and basically yeah, just screws on the door. You literally only need to drill 1 hole to get this on the door, and from there you're pretty much good to go. 1 hole in the right spot. No instructions or measurements included there, but to find out where you want to put it, you just go from the center of this hole right here, which is about 31, so I'd probably make it about 33. Draw a line 33 from the edge of the door, drill your hole here, probably about a 6 or a 7, and then just bolt that on the back. Then just line up your striker, away you go, and put your hexagon through the front. Attach this part on the front like that. Make sure you set the engaged or which one where you want it, and when it's locked and unlocked, 2 screws on front, and away you go. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Available from drlock.com.au. That is the Metlam 200 series indicator bolt. Okay, thanks for watching.